Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm sorry about my iPad just cutting out like that. I really have to try and figure out why the issue is. I think it's because of a software issue on my iPad, but I'm never updating it. So I'll try and use my iPad mini 4 next time. But leaving where you left off, you want to screw in the battery with the bracket, and you want to put your back glass on. Make sure it's aligned, push it back, and screw in the 2 pentalobe screws. But first I want to test it out, and it's working. So now we can just screw in the iPhone 4S. So now that that's done, you can put your bits back. Put everything back. So, yeah, that's it. Put everything away. I'm just getting some stuff ready to put. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed last video, because it always cuts out at the end of each video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed last video and this video, and please like and subscribe both videos, and follow my Twitter. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.